Good evening, guys and gals. We're live at 10:50, battling for Andrew's Rebel Commando. There he is, Trilogo Rebel Commando. I got 10 spots here. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. There's all 10. Gonna roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. As you likely know, we got our 5. So we're in good shape to get underway. Good luck, guys. Marco takes round 1 and 2. Jagger 3. Marco again on top for our next to last round, round 4. Bringing us to the final round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winner is Michael Link in at number 10. Congrats, Mike. Here's our verification. AMWIUC. Michael in at number 10 is the victor. And I'm done with 10:51 p.m. There it is. Here's the results one more time. Congrats to the winner. See you guys. Thanks.